What's up, guys? Zippo Master 67 here. I just wanted to show you guys this lighter, or Zippo-like lighter I got off of eBay. I paid $4 for it, but it is really close to a Zippo. The only difference is it's not a Zippo, and it was made in China. And the click is really bad off. But other than that, it looks very similar to a Zippo. It's all brass, and got the ridges for the bullet design, and yeah, it's pretty much just like a Zippo. Now, I'll show you guys the insert. Just give me 1 second. Sorry, I gotta hold the camera. Here is the insert. Yeah, that's my phone in the reflection. See if I can get this to focus. Come on. I don't know if you can read that, but anyway, it says, "Windproof lighter, it's great pleasure to present oil lighter." The other side says, "Keep away from children," and all that, blah blah blah. Pretty similar to its Zippo's warnings and whatnot. They're I forget what this thing's called, the click or something like that. It is the same color, all that good jazz. The bottom, on most of the fakes on the videos I've seen, they weren't able to use their case over here to unscrew this, but on this one I can. I will try to show you. I'm gonna get my phone to stand up. Come on, stand up. Hold on a second. I apologize for the bad audio that's probably you're about to hear. See, you can twist it. And I do have another Zippo on the way in the mail, and it is an actual Zippo. It is the hazardous design with the biohazard emblem on it. It should be coming in the mail here in a few days or so. Or maybe tomorrow, I don't know. But I will do an unboxing of it, and since I'm not going to be filling it or anything, since I'm going to start buying Zippos, I'm going to start collecting them, I'm just going to use this one as my demonstration video lighter, and I may eventually work my way up to buying a regular Zippo to do that stuff with, but for now I'm just going to use this, and I might do some tricks. I can show you one right now. I call this the snap open, which is, hey, I apologize for my video cutting off, but I'll add this to the video. Anyway, what you do is you put your thumb right here, your 2 fingers up here, then what you do is you're going to want to pull your fingers down like this at an angle as fast as you can. Then you're going to want to eventually slip into this hold, and then your lighter will be open. I will show you right now. Sometimes it doesn't work on the first try. Like that. I'll show you again in case you didn't see it. Oh crap, hold on. Like that. So there you have it, guys. Just subscribe and I will have more videos, and comment, and I will post another video sometime this week. Thank you. Bye bye.